Good morning, students. This class is for class 4 social studies class, and today we are going to do our chapter 3's page number 18. All of you open page number 18. Location and extent. To the south of the Himalayas lie the North Plains. This flat and extended from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. They cover the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and parts of Assam. The plains extend in length for 2,400 kilometers and are about 150 to 300 kilometers wide. Okay. Now we will see the features. The northern plains are flat and level land, and many rivers originated in the Himalayan river flow through these plains. These rivers have water throughout the year and are called perennial rivers. They bring down soil from the upper region, which is called silt or alluvium. The northern plains are rich and fertile, and a wide variety of crops grow here. The area is called the rice bowl of India, as most of the India's rice is grown here. The northern plains can be divided into 3 river basins. The Ganga basin in the center, the Brahmaputra basin in the east, the Satluj basin in the west. A basin is an area watered by a river and its tributaries. The plains were created by rivers that brought down silt and deposited it here, and therefore very fertile and ideal for farming. The Ganga basin. The Ganga in all its beauty and splendors has its source in the Gangotri glaciers in the southern slopes of the Himalayas. The place from where a river begins is called its source. During its downward journey, it is joined by the rivers such as Bhagirathi, Mandakini, Alaknanda and other streams before entering the northern plains. The Ganga flows swiftly down the mountains in the state of Uttarakhand, reaching the plains at Haridwar. It then flows through the state of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal. In the plains, it is joined by numerous tributaries. The Yamuna is the most important tributary of the Ganga, and join it at Allahabad. This meeting place is called Sangam. The Ganga basin is watered by the Ganga, Yamuna and the tributaries of Ganga like Gandak, Ghaghra, Gomti, Kosi and San. As Ganga flows further, it is joined by river San near Patna and various other tributaries. The Yamuna is joined by river Chambal, Sindh, Betwa and Ken. Ganga reaches West Bengal and splits into 2 branches. The Hooghly, which flows through Kolkata, and Padma, which flows through Bangladesh. Since at this stage the rivers carry a lot of silt and sediment, they flow slowly and divide into numerous channels called distributaries, which divide the area into triangular areas called a delta. The Ganga-Brahmaputra delta is the largest delta in the world. The fertile Ganga basin has major crops like rice, wheat, jute and sugarcane. Many other important cities like Rishikesh, Haridwar, Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna and Kolkata are located on its bank. Now we will learn pollution of river. The Ganga basin is the most populated part of India. The increased population has resulted in huge quantities of rubbish being thrown into the river. The chemical waste from various industries also adds to the pollution of the river. The Ganga Action Plan has been taken up by the government To purify the river water, this project can only be successful if there is awareness among people to check the pollution of the great river. Now children, we will learn about Brahmaputra basin. The Brahmaputra river has its source in Tibet and is called Sango here. It flows eastward and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh, flows through Assam and then enters Bangladesh. The fertile soil in this region provide excellent soil for crops like jute and rice. The Brahmaputra carries huge amounts of water with it. Due to heavy rainfall in the northeastern region, the river overflows during the rainy season, causing flood and damage to life and property. The Satluj Basin. The river Satluj and Beas flows through the state of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab before joining Indus in the west in Pakistan. Since the region does not receive much rainfall, farmers depend on canals and dams for water. The Bhakra Nangal Dam has been built on Satluj to provide water and electricity to the region. The Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from the Satluj, provides water to Rajasthan. The main crops grown here are wheat, rice, cotton and sugarcane. The important cities of this region are Chandigarh, Jalandhar, Patiala and Amritsar. Now we will learn the last topic, the importance of the northern plain. It's very important, okay? The fertile soil of the northern plains is very good for growing crops. Since climate is not very cold, many people have settled down here. There are many important cities on this bank of river. As the land is flat, there exists a good network of roads and railways which help in transportation of food and goods produced here to other parts of the country. So children, with this our chapter finish. So you will learn the word builder. Word builder, few words are given here. You will go through it, you will learn it and write it in your copy. Understood? And definitely show it to me. You learn the chapter. Wherever if you find any problem or doubt, you will ask me. So this much for today's class. Have a good day. Bye-bye.